In front of me is Motorola Edge 60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening Settings and hitting Connected Devices. Then choose Connection Preferences, Printing, Default Print Service, or any other service you have. If you don't have another one, you can tap on Add Service and download the best one for your printer. It will appear in the same settings. Either way, after tapping on your service, activate it thanks to this switcher and wait. Your device is looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!